Math Gad.
Oh Math Gad, guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to continue understanding the reasoning behind graphing linear quadratic equations and actually finding the solution of a linear quadratic equation system. Let's begin. So guys, you have to remember, in order to know whether or not the problem has one, two, or no solutions, you actually have to graph, because that's precisely the method we're studying today, the graphing method, right? Very, very important that you guys remember that. The first equation we have is the quadratic equation, which is y is equal to x to the power of 2 minus 6x plus 3. And you have to remember that in order to find the vertex of the parabola, you have to follow the formula minus b divided by 2a. b is going to be the second term, and a is going to be the first term, right? So this is going to be minus 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, which is going to be plus 6 divided by 2, which is plus 3. And that is going to be the value of x of our vertex. In order to find the value of y, don't get confused as little Sergio over there, you're just going to have to substitute, right? So the value is going to be 3 to the power of 2 minus 6 multiplied by 3 plus 3. So you're just substituting. So 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Then it's minus 18 plus 3. And 9 minus 18, that's minus 9 plus 3. That's going to be a value of minus 6, right? So we already know that the parabola has a vertex in 3 comma minus 6. And that is where we're going to locate our graph. We also know that the y-intercept is going to be plus 3. So the graph is going to pass in the y value of 3. And then the vertex is going to be around 1, 2, 3, and the value of negative 6. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. So it's going to be, around here. And you're gonna draw your parabola. That's the first thing you have to do, right? So once you graph it, you're gonna see the 2 points, right, of your parabola. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but with the linear equation, right? So y is equal to 2x minus 13. In case you guys are wondering, oh teacher, I don't actually remember how to do that, don't worry. We just have to find 2 points in order to be able to graph the linear equation, right? So let's say, for example, we want to graph the value for x equal to 8. So y is equal to 2 times 8 minus 13. And that is going to be 2 times 8, that's 16, minus 13, and that's 3. That means that our graph is going to pass through points 8, 3. So we're going to look for that point, right? So it's 8, 3, right? So around here. And then it's also going to pass through another point. So let's say, what's the value for 3, for example? You can choose any number you want to. So it's going to be 2 times 3, that's 6, minus 13, that's going to be minus 7, right? So around here. We're gonna just draw a line, right? And now we have our 2 equations, the linear one in red, and then the quadratic one, which is the parabola in blue. Now, notice something interesting. They actually just cross each other or overlap each other in just one point, right? Which is going to be this one. Because of that, we're going to say that this problem has just one solution, because they just overlap in just a single point, not two like we had seen before. In order to find the solution, we just have to look for the value, which in this case is the value of x equal to 4. So that means that our only solution is going to be x equal to 4. So again, guys, you have to remember, You grab the quadratic one, you grab the linear one, and then whenever or wherever they touch each other, that's going to be your solution. It's either two solutions, one solution, or no solution if they don't touch. So guys, that's basically it for today. I hope you are no longer like teacher sir here right there, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye. Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!